So today is the start of this fitness journey that I've been wanting to do. So I'm finally going to start it today. So I'm really just gonna bring y'all along with me. And yeah, hopefully it motivates some of y'all. No, I don't have a bad body or anything, but my body is natural. So who knows? One day my body might be like, yeah, we tired of you being fine. So so it might just start doing its own thing. So my my reason to working out is to stay fit and do something with my time, because I have a lot of time now. So yeah.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries.
So y'all, I just made my coffee. We're drinking this first before I start going working out. It's kind of like a pre-workout. So I'm drinking my coffee first, and yes, I'm drinking my coffee before I brush my teeth because, yeah, I still got like 40 minutes left before I need to leave out the house. So coffee first. Alright y'all, so this is what we're wearing to go work out. It's just this set. I'm gonna throw that crew neck on, and we're wearing these chucks. And y'all, these chucks have gotten so dirty. Well, I had one to the fair, and that's how they got dirty. So now we're just gonna make them workout shoes, and I'm just gonna get another pair next summer. Okay. So y'all, to keep this lace in a nice tip-top shape, I'm gonna take my little band thing, and I'm just gonna wear that the whole time. But it's the fact that these curls from yesterday are still in my hair. Just gonna brush that out. I really don't know how to do my baby hairs like at all. So I'm gonna take this. I'm not gonna put it too tight because that should start making your head feel like it's about to explode. So I'm just gonna put it tight enough. So I'm not gonna stretch it too much. I am done with day one, and your girl feel like a noodle. Like, I am tired, wore out, for real, for real. So now I'm about to shower and get something to eat or fix something to eat and then run some errands. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Today is just Vlogmas because I forgot what day I was on. Last time I seen y'all was Monday, so today is Wednesday, and it will be my third day going to the gym. So that's what we're getting ready for right now. And I'm really just getting back in the mood, y'all. I guess I was in a funk. I kind of lost motivation because I really didn't know what to give y'all. I didn't want to bore y'all or anything. So we feeling it again. We feeling it again. So yeah, right now I'm about to eat my breakfast. I already brushed my teeth. I'm dressed. And I made my coffee. And yeah, we're finna eat breakfast and then we're gonna leave out. So this is what we're in this morning. I got 2 waffles and I got 2 eggs with spinach. So I really feel like I'm forcing myself to eat right now because I usually do not eat this early unless it's just like something small, like a ham and cheese croissant or something. But he said eat, so I'm gonna eat. All right, y'all, made it to the gym. Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. All right, y'all, we're back and we're clean and we're ready to run errands. So the first stop is the post office. If it's not packed, because I got a lash appointment at 12, but I'm about to ride by the post office so I can return this. If you watch my boohoo fashion haul, they sent me a dress instead of my bubble coat, and I need my bubble coat. Okay, so we're going to return the dress so they can ship me my bow coat. So let's go see if it's packed. If it's packed, we're going to get our lashes done first, and then we're going to the post office. So y'all, I end up coming to get my lashes done first because it's 11:58. I got up here like at 11:53. So I just came and got my lashes done first. So when I get back on this camera, what they say? When I put these lashes on, what did TikTok say? No, it's just like when I put these lashes on. But when I put these lashes on. Alright, y'all. My camera is funny. Alright, y'all. So my lashes are done, as y'all can see. Now I'm about to run into the beauty supply store because I'm taking this damn closure out my head. And I wouldn't do it quickly on myself. And then I gotta do hair later, so I'm going to grab some jam and stuff and then a cap and stuff for my wig weave. So let's go to the beauty supply store. Doing hair. This one. This is the gel I use. I usually get body, but this one. So y'all, lashes are done. It always take me a minute to adjust to them, but they are done and I'm happy. Now I'm about to run to Starbucks. It's 1 o'clock. I'm gonna run to Starbucks, then I'm gonna run back by the post office. They usually take like lunch around this time, so I'm gonna run to Starbucks because I'm hungry and I don't want to go home, cook something and leave it out. No, so yeah, that's where we're about to go. And then I also need to run by T-Mobile so I can get my baby an iPad. I want my baby to have an iPad for Christmas, so we're gonna see if they sell an iPad. Matter of fact, I need to my phone bill. Alright, y'all, so got my Starbucks, the same per usual. Hello? Yeah, I heard you. I said, alright. Okay, yeah, I got my Starbucks. So now we're at the post office because We need our bubble coat. So let's go inside. I gotta pee. Alright, y'all. That line was long, but it went by pretty fast. And then I already had my Chipotle on there. So I really just turned it in, and I just got the receipt so I can send it over to Boohoo, because they wanted to see that I sent it off or whatever. So let's hope this freaking jacket come before Christmas. But we shall see. Now we're going to T-Mobile. So we made it to T-Mobile. And my mom and everybody else is with me. She's trying to get a new phone. Let's see if she get it. Let's see if I get what I'm trying to get. I thought it was going to be a trash can. Everybody. So I never finished this vlog. Basically, when we left T-Mobile, I did end up getting on my iPad, but it won't get here until January 11th, or between January 11th and January 25th. Am I upset? Yes, but I'm happy that I got it. And then after that, I had to do my cousin hair, so that's why I didn't finish that vlog. But if you guys enjoy, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.